Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2014 Honda CBR600. I'm going to grab the camera and have a good close look around the bike for you. Okay, let's get a closer look at this Honda. It is HPI clear. Does also come with a spare key. It is data tagged as well. So what we'll do, we'll start at the front, we'll work all the way around the bike, get a good close look at the condition. And it is in gloss black, as you can see. It's also got some matte black parts on as well. The front mudguard, parts of the fairing, they're in matte black. So let's get a look at the front. And it does have ABS on this as well. So it's got the combined ABS. So let's get a look on this left hand side, get a look at the fairing. You can see it's got the R&G frame protection bungs on there. Let's get a look in at the engine, all nice and clean. Get a look low down there. Get a look at the side of the tank. Side plastics on the side of the seat. It's got the solo cover on there. Let's get a look in at the rear shock. Get a look at the chain and sprocket as well. So let's get a look at it over from the top. Top of the seat, top of the tank. CBR tank pad on there. Let's get a look at it from the back. Does have a tail tidy on there. So we'll move round to the right hand side now. Get a better look at it on this side. It's a bit higher up, it's on the side stand. So let's get a look at the side, plastic side of the seat, the side of the tank. I'll just move the bars around so we can see all the side of the tank. Let's get a look at the fairing at the front. And the exhaust as well, standard exhaust on this. Let's get a look at the back. And we'll finish up at the front on this right hand side. So what we'll do now, we'll go and take a look up at the dash and the controls and we'll get the exact mileage off it. Okay, let's take a look at the controls. So you've got your front brake, your throttle, your kill switch, your starter and your hazards on that side. Then over on the other side, you've got your clutch, you've got your lights, indicators and horn. This has also got heated grips on here as well. So let's turn the ignition on. Let's get a look at the mileage. And it's done 19,899 miles. Okay, let's start this up and listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything you want to see in close up, we can do that for you and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you.
Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.